Hello, Kurumjiri, and welcome to Sktv'S News. You're watching Afternoon English News with me, Jessie Thiam. Now, as usual, giving you the headlines first. Home Minister Govindas Konthocham, along with MLAs, visits terror-hit Kamjong district along Indo-Myanmar border, interacts with affected villages. And Assam Rifles rescues abducted Danku women from Myanmar-based KNAB and Village Volunteers Eastern Zone. All right, now the news in detail. A team of state legislators led by Minister Govindas Konthocham visited Zetsoro, Namli and Wangli in Kamjong district today to assess the situation following recent attacks by suspected Myanmar-based militants, including the KNAB. The delegation included MLA Thongam Bishwajit, MLA Kashim Vasham, MLA Ramweva, MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar and MLA Abdul Nasir. The inspection follows a heavy attack on May 7 at approximately 4:30 a.m. during which militants used sophisticated weapons to burn down roughly 30 houses and shops. During the inspection, the team met with affected villagers to hear their grievances and evaluate the damage. Home Minister Govindas assured the residents that the government would prioritize restoring peace, enhancing security and providing relief. Addressing the local women, Govindas noted that while Minister Yumnam Kimchan had advised them to inspect the area the previous day, the team of ruling legislators arrived today due to the village's remote locations. He urged the women to help pacify the local youth and foster reconciliation, emphasizing their critical role in the peace process. He also stressed the need for prudence in handling the ongoing unrest, affecting both the hills and the valley.
Land the Sima Wilson Aloina, Dialoga, Tashinagi Bangakan, Masisi, Akoi Tim Hana, Honorable Minister of Viramnava, Bishoti Sai, one Page, Alon Sai, Dongi, Nasir Sai, Ram Sai, Pamam Chupuna, Yamba, Takasim, in the Honorable Simaring around the Ibusala from Celebrate, Punalak, Honorable Minister, Napoisi, Maranga, from Sion, Novakwe, a Sapaya, Gadra, I don't have a matam, Paulo Raga, could have hit some of Matam, the Kuyobang and Madrang Moira have a ski pow, Loraga, a quick session having a sea morning, the open territory. Like we see Imphal on the Sumangai, Pedi the Sumangai, we Awana, my am number. Former Minister, Awana, my number, sing the Sawana, my number, Simatam Nadum Poropa, the Wepina, Masiana, Sexina, Yamna Singna, Yam Haina, a great Sepa, Matautai.
Assam Rifles successfully secured the release of Olina Ningshan, a Danku woman abducted by the KNAB and Village Volunteers Eastern Zone (VVEZ) from Namli on May 7. According to Assam Rifles, the handover occurred south of Zechoro village under the watch of security and intelligence agencies. Following the rescue, Ningshan, her family and local leaders were escorted to the Chasad unit headquarters for medical checkups, psychological support and formal documentation before returning to Kangpat Khun. During the intervention, troopers evacuated 10 affected houses and provided humanitarian aid to 15 distressed villagers at the Aloyo Assam Rifles camp. The force also conducted sanitization operations and apprehended a KNAB cadre named Lal Thag Zone from Churchandpur along with a weapon and ammunition, which later handed over to local police authorities. Assam Rifles further claimed that they brought the volatile situation under control despite challenging conditions and ensured the safe return of the civilian. With the objective of discussing strategies to counter the ongoing war being waged against Indigenous people, the Federation of Halmi is organizing an Indigenous Peoples Meet at Iboyay Mashumang Lila Sanglan Palace Compound, Imphal on May 28. The organization's president Sapmumcha Jatumani made the announcement during a press conference at its Dulalan Kabo Laikai office. He expressed concern that illegal immigrants have been continuously waging war against the state's indigenous population through persistent intrusion. He added that the MID will minutely explore strategies to prevent the slaughter of indigenous people. Accusing the government of India of weaponizing Kuki armed groups under the Suspension of Operations Pact, Jadumani noted that indigenous people have no choice but to defend themselves.
Isang sinachatariba apani hajalapami topsingi lansi losananabagi kodama ikoi wariba malo to be atabagi abadi ikoi apunbagi khungsang ama sangindabagi atabagi anjado laye lose aduna maramoidana laiba megi tang kungini pant da ayuki pung tara makhai taba matamda we amiswanga chanenda federation hobina sinjaraga yexraiba group kunmanga Singambi Tamguba, Apun Mumi Pamama, Nanaba Sinjeri, Miam Lawe, very high Lawe, Akwini, Yapa Pagadavani, you may have us in Pagadavani, Hapa Pagadavani, hide in the Lawe. Akwini Wakalon the Pagadaviva, Porto Paramatunga, Anishuba, Mui Karamo, Eris Karamo, La Ruidabra, Makatana Sataro Idabra, Adujinati Adare. Sulu Shangadavani, Sutokadavani, having Akanba, Apunbugi, movement of Apunbugi pressure, Masani Adare. Ya Hakanetana, Okui, Tongan country singer, a queen, Dimanji of the Sunny, and the Makui support land the Sunny. Masila and by say, a committee Hutaniata, Uncle Hutaniata, Kawi Hutanado, Pum Hutaniata, Lamchi Mapu, Apunba, Yeromishi, Apun Kolau, some white. Adugi Kolaudo, Adu Yamutania, Sinjagadosha.
The second National Lok Adalat for 2026 were conducted at multiple locations in Manipur today. The Lok Adalat were conducted by Manipur State Legal Services Authority and District Legal Services Authority under the aegis of National Legal Services Authority, NASA. District Legal Services Authority, Imphal East and Imphal West also organized a Lok Adalat at Lumphil Court Complex today. Executive Chairman of MASLSA and High Court of Manipur's Judge, Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma, inspected the proceedings of Lok Adalat for Imphal East and Imphal West districts. The High Court judge was accompanied by Member Secretary of MASLSA, Alek Muiva, Additional Member Secretary and other officials. Speaking on the sideline of the inspection visit, Justice A. Bimol said National Lok Adalat is conducted 4 times in a year, and in the second National Lok Adalat, which is being conducted today, 2,422 cases have been taken up for redressal, and out of the total cases, 37 cases are under litigation in court, while 2,385 cases are at pre-litigation stages. National Lok Adalat is being conducted at all district courts through 13 benches. Speaking further, Justice Bimol also highlighted the benefits of Lok Adalat, which include swift resolution, cost-effective, amicable settlement, and reduction in backlog cases.
Party nidula aga magi yanada do fajana tanaraga yanabam puraga madugi masi koi court ki decree koi court na taba koi judgment decree ki masi ki status ka samane aduga masi ki kanabam na court ki di yaningda wa party mana mathangi court ta koi appeal to vi review to vi Supreme Court sat pe litigation da pesa ting na matang bi sang bi ai ba masi ki sidi muktang yanaki ba koi ne pi ki decree se masi final le ba party mo na mo na yaning de hai be yara roi ba babani ki di masi ki kanaba sini na puba to mangan da ba litigation am to matam da hojik ta su koi ki lamgi yena bada bench number 1 da lamgi yena bada ani ya na koi hojik information phangi oren loirak pada kyam koi na ya ki doino khangde adubu hai basis yam dra bada koi na yam thuna toruk ta sahi even koi hanan ba trial court hanan ho busi ukda sahi ani hum sang bi ai ba yam thuna toruk ta aduga kai gumo appeal ga san discipline go kai sahi kun try na sang gusu ya ba adu sigi yam thubam di ngasi numit se la aga adum lo yare sigi kana ba sini.
Chairman cum Managing Director of Shiza Hospitals, Dr. Palin Kundongpam, stressed the crucial role of nurses, stating that no hospital or healthcare facility can run successfully without them. He was addressing the inaugural function of a state-level conference with the theme, Our Nurses, Our Future, Empowered Nurses, Save Lives, at SJ Auditorium, Shiza Hospitals, Langol. The event was jointly organized by the Trained Nurses Association of India, TNAI, Shiza Academy of Nursing, and the Nursing Department of Shiza Hospitals to mark International Nurses Day 2026. Other key attendees included TNAI Northeast Region Vice President Professor T.H. Nandarani, Manipur Nursing Council Registrar Dr. A. Jamuna, Deputy Director of Nursing, Directorate of Health Services K. Ranita, and CZ Academy of Nursing Principal Dr. C.H. Babito. Speaking further, Dr. Palin highlighted the contributions of Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. He noted that she chose a life of humanitarian service despite being born into a wealthy family at a time when society viewed nursing as a lowly profession. He also emphasized that health, patience, and wisdom are essential qualities for every nurse.
Nursing profession, nursing service, this is the backbone of healthcare services in the world. Nursing profession yaudana healthcare support Manipur gi oina aikoina yamna picture lagada future of healthcare transformation pasi no gi khutale no gi knowledge no gi skill no gi philosophy your belief system chi mayam sida loina tadan leram adu kauragati aikoina life si kan bangamni prithivida 3 million population there avoidable healthcare number more than billions of dollars in money. India you already have kind of statistics like this. Not talk by yourself. Yes, nurse not to be that day. Message the hospital authority, other systems, other associated doctors, paramedics, healthcare management. Loy na magyaw, presence yaw, mag awareness yaw. Kasi kung di see, anabagi parties important with them high. Ada pa na sige. Function body the empower nurses. Aduna haiba isasi yamna matik saba yamna competent oiba nurse oirgadi akuna life si kanbunga mehari.
Comprehensive Concept School organized a reception program for Johan Longja, who secured first position in Class 12 Science Stream examination, and Akam Morish, who secured 19th position, and 4 subject toppers at the school campus located at Sangay Pro, Konjing Laikai today. Speaking in the program, Principal of Comprehensive Concept School, Samu Akoijang, congratulated students for securing ranks and for scoring highest marks in various subjects. He also encouraged students to work hard to achieve their dreams.
Discipline na hire akoy nga sahi ikay kundaba dum matana ta mathau da masakhang bhai bane na discipline hai ni se ado mathau masakhang na salani ni makoy singida isagi thau masakhang ka da koi success ai se koi ore ka ni adana discipline is the key to success in high do ado ai nga singida hai.
All right, now we shall take a short break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV News.
Somnath Virasat ke 75 saal. Somnath is a symbol of India's indomitable civilization. Even after facing destructive attacks for over 1,000 years, Somnath continues to stand tall as an embodiment of our pride and courage. 75 years ago, the resolve of the Iron Man, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, paved the way for the modern revival of Somnath. Today, under the leadership of Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, this sacred land proudly heralds India's cultural renaissance. Be a witness to this golden occasion. Key activities include Kalash Yatra, Bhajan Sandhya, chanting of the Omkar Mantra, mantra writing in the Somnath booklet, narration of stories associated with Somnath at Sri Somnath Temple Complex, Prabhas Pathan, from 8 to 11 May 2026. Somnath is that song of hope which teaches us that the power of creation is far greater than the power of destruction. By Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, Chairman of Sri Somnath Trust. Please scan here to contribute towards enriching the glorious 1,000-year legacy of Somnath.
Competitive Success Academy Uripo Kwesnam Laikaida Class 11 Science Kidamak Ming Chananabagidamak Form Thajare Council Nova Class 12 ke examination da 16 position amadi 20 position puthokraba school ni Mahiroi Singidamak kathoklaba well qualified oiraba oza singna takpi tambiri Mahi Masingidamak hena matik jaba ama oinanabagidamak library gi facility ladiba school ni Arapadagi lakpa Mahiroi Singidamak boarding gi facility su laizari Angang singbu hen haithoi singthoina nabagidamak co-curricular activities su matik sana hapchuri Mahiroi Singna Class 12 loiraga Z-NEET Thaning Labasu Maming Lairaba LN Academy ga coaching partner oiduna Chahi Khuding gi medical amadi engineering gi Mahiroi Kayama puthokli Lairikte Haizeraga Laitalairba Angang Singidamak fee concession pizabagaloinana relief camp ta lairiba Angang Singidamak tasu Tonganba Khudong Chaba Pizari Hen Phaba Mahiroi Singidamak Tonganba scholarship ki Khudong Sabasu Pizari
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. You're watching SKTV Afternoon English News. Now moving on. Longmai B Booth organized Bharatiya Janata Party Mahila Strengthening Program at Longmai Part 4 in Nonin District today. Officials, members of BJP Mahila Morcha, ST Morcha attended the program. Gifts were also distributed to the attendees in connection with upcoming International Mother's Day on May 10. A floral tribute ceremony for late renowned singer Yansembam Bilashini will be held at TYC Club in Sega Road, Takilambam Laikai tomorrow. Yansembam Bilashini passed away on May 5. The tribute ceremony will be held from 7 a.m. till 11 a.m. tomorrow to honor the legacy and contributions of late Yansembam Bilashini in the field of Manipuri music. Renowned singer Bobin has appealed people to attend the tribute paying ceremony. Now we have the national news. Government has appointed Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramani as the next Chief of Defence Staff, CDS. Ministry of Defence said that Lieutenant General Subramani will also serve as Secretary, Department of Military Affairs, with effect from the date of assumption of charge and until further orders. He will assume office after General Anil Chauhan completes his tenure on May 30th. Lieutenant General Subramani is a highly decorated officer with over 4 decades of distinguished service. He has also been serving as military advisor at the National Security Council Secretariat since September 2025. He earlier served as Vice Chief of the Army Staff and General Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Central Command, besides commanding key operational formations along the western and northern fronts. For his distinguished service to the nation, Subramani has been awarded the Param Vishist Seva Medal, Ati Vishist Seva Medal, Sena Medal and Vishist Seva Medal. On the other hand, Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan has been appointed as the next Chief of Naval Staff, succeeding Admiral Dinesh Kumar Tripathi, who will complete his tenure on May 31. Swaminathan was commissioned into the Indian Navy in 1987. He is an alumnus of the National Defence Academy, Kadhakwasla, the Joint Services Command and Staff College, Shrivenham in the United Kingdom, the College of Naval Warfare in Karanja, and the United States Naval War College. Swaminathan served as the 46th Vice Chief of Naval Staff in Mumbai and the Controller of Personal Services and Chief of Personnel at the Naval Headquarters in Delhi. He currently serves as the Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Western Naval Command. Now in sports news, 3-day-long 11th state-level Yoga Olympiad 2026, which was held on the theme Yoga for Wellness, Wisdom and World Peace, concluded at Kumanlampak Indoor Stadium today. During the event, 16 boys and girls from both upper primary level and secondary level have been selected to represent Manipur in the upcoming 11th National Yoga Olympiad 2026, which will be organized by NCERT from June 15 to 18 in New Delhi. A total of 137 students from various districts competed in upper primary and secondary level during the state-level Yoga Olympiad 2026, which was organized by Department of Education S. Ganeshwar Leitantem of Poijing No. 6 Junior High School came first in boys' upper primary level competition, while Lasham Harrison, Thiam Tomba and Labuk Tombam Leo came second, third and fourth respectively. In girls' upper primary level, Lemapopam Victoria of L. Dhananjoy High School came first, while Irungbom Janika, Kangwujam Malengambi and Nirota Soram came second, third and fourth respectively. In secondary level voices event, Mahesh Irungbom of Kundrakpa Model High School bagged first position, while CH Thoba, L. Krishna and P. Boni came second, third and fourth respectively. And on the other hand, in secondary level girls' competition, Lemapopam Sanatoy of Lemapopam Government Public High School emerged as winner, while L. Valentina, P.H. Olivia and R.K. Roshni came second, third and fourth respectively. Director of Department of Education S. N.G. Bhogendra, Additional Director of Schools Hills Dangmei Manglam, Additional Director of Schools Valley Bishwar Kumukjam, Senior Administrative Officer Soraisam David attended the closing ceremony and presented medal, trophies and certificates to winners of state-level Yoga Olympiad 2026.
Education.
CEO and founder of Club War Manipur, Bambam Thaunawjam, has announced that fourth season of Club War Manipur will be held from July 1. Speaking in this regard, Bambam, the fourth season will feature amateur, semi-pro and professional fight along with topology record and topology box. The registration for Club War Season 4 has commenced and the event will be held at Kumanlampak.
Live July Gitang Amazida, Club War Manipur Season 4, Pangtuk Saragani, Papamna, Kumanapaki Boxing Arena, Pangtuk Saragani, Sredana, Henanwai, Venamam, Aquina Season 1, 2, 3, Ahum, Pangtok Pasida, Emisher Amadi Semi Pro, Katama, Pangtuk Sari, Haitare, Season 1, Amadi 2, Emisher Pangtu, Season 3, the Semi Pro, Hapsan Zabani, Adu, Handaki, Season 4 study, professional fight, Hapsagani, Haitare, professional fight, Kamai together, Mamatan Habi with the trapology have professional fight at the trapology. Yam depend on topology record Sigi Matungina Kugi Leven Jai promotion at Soso fight topology topology the Yama fight second Toya Duna ma'am topology.
Now we have weather report. According to ICR Regional Center Lamphel Pods, Manipur recorded a maximum temperature of 31 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was recorded at 17.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 77% in the morning and 43% in the evening. Now before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Home Minister Govindas Konthojam, along with MLAs, visit terror-hit Kamjong district along Indo-Myanmar border, interact with affected villages. And Assam Rifles rescues abducted Tangkhul woman from Myanmar-based KNAB and Village Volunteers Eastern Zone. Well, that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.